Welcome guys, today I am with the Motorola Moto G62 5G and I'm going to show you how camera promote looks in this phone. Okay, so to open the promote you have to tap right here, and as you can see in this place we can find few parameters at the bottom. At the first we can find focus. So when I'm gonna set it up like that, or maybe like that, as you can see all items that are close to our lens are in the focus, but when I'm gonna put it like that, everything is out of the focus. So here we can manually adjust the focus range on this device. Next we can find the white balance. Right here we can find the shutter speed. We can set it up even for the 32 seconds. Here we can find ISO to set for 3200, and the last option is the exposure compensation. We can set it between +4 and the -4. Right here we can change the photo format. We can change the aspect ratio of the camera, enable camera timer and flashlight. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.